I feel privileged to be here to share a life fact with you people. The superior man is modest in his speech but exceeds in his action. I repeat, the superior man is modest in his speech but exceeds in his action. Many of us know that speech is silver and silent is gold. It is not always true, it is not always false. Let's show our action in our words. We have to make our reactions more and we have to react according to the situation. At this time, let our action speak more louder than our words. Our successful outcomes will speak about our accomplishments. Success is a product of massive action in the right way. If you want to be successful, you must know how to make more moves and lesser announcements. Never ever share your announcements with your friends and don't be foolish by saying them. Don't announce what you are going to do in the future. By the end of my topic, you would know why we should make more moves and lesser announcements. The only thing separating you from your grandest dream is your action steps. Each word has a value and a meaning. Hence, we should be using that very prudently. Action. The massive step to action is to success. We should dive hard into the work and which requires our real headspace. Make more moves to accomplish what you are going to do, but don't announce that you are going to do in the future. I have a real life experience. One fine day, I was sitting in front of my dad and having my work. Just I got a call from my friend and just ran out to my balcony and just answered that. She was asking me, what are your plans for the next week? Then I was thinking why she was asking, but I replied her, this is the project I'm going to do and how I design my book and how I'll be projecting my PPT on the stage. Then, alright, I asked her, what is your plan? Then, because of some issue, just she was disconnecting the call and just again I went into the room and then my father was listening when I was talking to my friend and just he said that to come in front of him and sit. Then he was asking why you are announcing what you're going to do in the future. It is not needed to announce what you're going to do in the future. And I was thinking why my dad is asking me a question, am I going in a wrong way? Is correct or wrong? I just sat near to a mirror and I was thinking, is it correct or not? 1 week, like that. By the end of that week, I understood that we should never announce our secrets, what we are going to do in the future. My father said that thing, just think about the past, what you did and recollect the information for the future. Enjoy the present, but don't think about the future. You don't predict and you are not going to have the future how you want. We can't predict the future. Then I was having a code in my mind for each second and each minute in my mind. Work in silence and the success will make the noise. This is the only code which will be used by many of our students and get believe in ourselves. To work hard in silence and the thing, don't think about the wins, just you try it and you will be getting the win or you will be getting a practice how to win. You will be having the failures but you can learn so many things from that. This is the thing I observed from my failures and successes. And the thing, you don't see about the wins. When the victory comes, you will be celebrating. Don't brag or share your announcements with your friends until you make them true in your life. Be confident about yourself, believe in yourself, and you are going to rock. And I have another example for you, the proverb. Empty empty vessels make much more noise. If you see an empty vessel, if we throw it down, it makes a very louder sound. But if you see a filled vessel, it doesn't make any of the sound. It is similar to the persons also. If a person is stuck with any of the intention, he will be thinking that I have to share with anyone and I should be sharing this to my friends, relatives and blah blah blah. He will be wasting his time. If you see an intelligent person who is focused on his aim goal, then he is just focused and he will not be speaking about what I am going to do. Just he will focus on the present. This is what we need to do and we need to change. This is the main theme. And if you see a talkative person, they continuously speak. If you observe the surrounding people who sat in front of him, they will be thinking, what is this man? Continuously he is speaking a lot. And they don't take him in a serious way. If you see a focused person, he thinks 100 times, is it needed to speak this word in front of my friends? He thinks 100 times to just reveal a word. So friends, you need to understand that our tongue should be controlled by us. It is needed in our lifetime. We can believe this and I am sure that it will work for you all. Believe in yourself. You can do everything you want. Don't feel negative. Don't go with negative vibes. And the thing, if you see a lion or a cheetah or a tiger fetching for its prey, it just be silent until the prey comes, and it attacks when the prey comes. And we need to be similar to the lion. We need to work hard in silence, and when we get our aim or goal in our way, just we have to catch it up. We have to enjoy it. It is similar if you think. Don't think it negatively. Just have all positive vibes in your mind and you can do it. Believe in yourself, as this is important. And I think if you will be speaking a word or a sentence in the public, don't think that what they are going to react on my words. Just talk what you needed and focus when you're talking. Is it essential to speak this word here? But don't think if I give a good performance or a bad performance, how the people will react. Don't do that. It's your time, you can rock it. Finally, I like to advise the friends and all the people that believe in yourself, be confident, talk less, work hard, act more, talk less. Blow out all the negative attitudes in you and just live true. Then you can rock the stage or anything you can do. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity.